So not everybody wants vertical navigation on their website where it goes down the side of the page. Some people want horizontal navigation. So that's what we're going to look at this hands-on practice. We're going to configure our horizontal navigation in an unordered list. So I'm going to create another folder called Chapter 7 Hort to kind of go along with our vert for vertical. And in this one, same thing, Lighthouse Island logo, and this time I want to get starter 4. Copy those files over. Open up that starter 4 in Notepad. And here's what it looks like. We'll run in Chrome. This is what we have to start with. I'm going to save it as index.html. So with our nav element, if we come down and look, we've got no styles for it, right? So down here, it's just our nav. It's in an unordered list with our navigation hyperlinks. So what we're going to do is we're going to add CSS to embed styles. That's going to configure the unordered list element within the nav, and it's going to eliminate our marker, center our text, set the font size, and set the margin. So we're going to come up to our styles up here. And you can put it anywhere you want to. Sometimes people like to kind of code as it goes down the page. So if you look at your HTML, you've got your body, your wrapper, your header, then your nav. So come up here, body, wrapper, header. So I'm going to put my nav right underneath my header. I'm just going to configure our nav UL. So unordered list within our nav, and we're going to say list style type none. Text align center. Font size 1.5 EM. Margin is 5 pixels. Save that. So now we've gone from here, kind of set it up, configured it, done a little bit to it. Still showing up here, which takes up a lot of space. So let's see what else we can do. Now we're going to configure the list items to display as inline elements. So we're going to come underneath this. So these are the individual list items. So remember, our list items are these parts of our unordered list. So we're going to go nav li for list items that come within a navigation tag. We're going to say I want you to display inline. One line of code, right? Chrome. Now look, we went from this to this. So now let's configure our anchor elements to have no underline. Take it under that list item, go nav A, anchor elements within a navigation, get rid of the text decoration, give it some padding to the left and some padding to the right. Save that, run it in Chrome, and there we go. So we went from this type of navigation to this, which is much more attractive and looks much better for our page.